Email to task is a good way to add tasks to your informant using your unique email address provided to you by the Informant app. To get that address, you're going to go into your settings, then you're going to select accounts. From here, you're going to tap on your Informant Sync account and then select Sync Options. You'll notice towards the bottom of this window that your email address is right there. You're going to plug that address into the recipient field of your email. And I have one of those started now. So what you'll do is, again, put that address in your recipient field. Then your subject field is going to become the title of your task. So I have mop floor here. And then hashtag today becomes the due date, and the asterisk stars my task for me. And then if you add anything in the body of the email, that will become the comments in your task. So we'll just put that the bucket is in the laundry room. And then there are other syntaxes that you can use with your email to task. And if you check the description of this video, our FAQ for email to task is linked here so that you can see the different syntaxes that you can use with email to task. So we're going to send this email, and then we're going to go back into Informant. We're going to back out of here and go back into our list. And then we are going to complete a sync. And you'll see that Mop Kitchen pops up here in my task list. It's starred, it's due today, and the notes for my task contain bucket in laundry room.